Life goes on at its own pace on this planet Earth. As usual, everything seemed to be normal and predictable. Then suddenly pandemic outbreaks, bringing the world to a standstill.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a total nationwide lockdown.
आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है.
All over the world, we're seeing the devastating impact of this invisible killer.
Today, the World Health Organization officially announced that this is a global pandemic.
It struck again as a second wave, causing more deaths and destructions.
That the pandemic is not over yet. It might be changing.
COVID-19 is nowhere near over.
Our country was gasping for more oxygen. The available infrastructure was not sufficient to withstand the challenge. The country needed more to breathe in the air of life. And we witnessed our inception as Freshe Private Limited, offering complete turnkey oxygen generation system based on PSA technology for hospitals and other medical institutions.
Freshe Private Limited was incorporated by me in 1980, and since then we have been involved in the modernization of the hospitals across India, and we also have the business in 57 countries as on today.
It was a fully automated solution that facilitates filling and replacing cylinders, substantially reducing dependencies on manpower and thereby minimizing cost and negating human errors. We are proud to be a company of Unison Narula Group, the one-stop solutions for healthcare projects, with
69 years into the business of healthcare sector.
Installed PSA oxygen generation plants at 200 plus hospitals in record time.
Presence in 57 plus countries worldwide.
35 plus projects running at any given time.
We were given the humongous task of installing oxygen plants, PSA oxygen plants, in a time where people were just sitting in their homes, trying to be safe, away from other people, not trying to get COVID and coronaviruses. But we were given this huge task of taking care of the oxygen needs of the people, the oxygen needs of India.
In the pandemic time, the Prime Minister of India came forward to assist the people at large, to see that the people don't suffer, and PM Care Fund was allocated to provide oxygen to a lot of hospitals across India.
We make use of the PSA, that is pressure swing absorption technology, which separates oxygen from the atmosphere through low pressure techniques and pipes it through the central pipeline to the gas filling outlets. At Freshe, we are dedicatedly working in the hospital medical gas pipeline system, MGPS. Our forte is the single window service, starting from technical service solutions, manufacturing, supply, installation, testing to commissioning jobs. Our turnkey oxygen generation system has earned a reputation for quality, durability and performance, as well as affordability.
There was so much pressure of framing the specifications, technical specifications, makes, because there was no particular definition in the tenders. So we were very particular about the quality, about the product we were supposed to procure. We were watching that there should not be a slip which can lead us to some grave situations.
PSA के कुछ मटेरियल्स ऐसे थे जो हमें कहीं नहीं मिल रहे थे. In the entire nation, we were like having scarcity of the material.
कॉस्ट को हमने टोटली साइडलाइन कर रखा था. हमें ये चैलेंज था कि हमें जो भी मटेरियल जहाँ भी मिले, जितने में भी मिल रहा है, हमने परचेज करना है.
We had to carry out the work with the extremists of the location, just like Arunachal Pradesh, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar, and even Chhattisgarh as well.
Out of these 24 states,
Arunachal Pradesh was the toughest for us as due to too much traveling time and less mobile connectivity.
Despite giving the training, hospital staff was not able to operate the plant. So I have to connect with our engineer to get the sampling done. And believe me, there is large number of plants to get the sample.
Although several bottlenecks has come in this project, and we were assured that our intent and capability can overcome this project at any moment. And the same has happened. And we have achieved our milestone and we pull out the project on or before time.
So these were the challenges in which we were awarded a particular project, and successfully coming out of that project is a proud feeling that every UNGian has.
All the people were basically scared of going out of the house, but we as Freshe, as Unison Nula Group, were working around the clock, and we were assisting the people. We were working as a Corona warriors.
Freshe's oxygen generating plant has certifications and approvals from various certified institutions. The PSA oxygen generators are enriched with many features like generation of medical oxygen from 93% to 95%, visual recommended service maintenance reminders, algorithm against electricity cutoffs, humid protection system, medical grade oxygen filtration, specifically designed starting and stopping points to protect purity from dropping. Our solutions are used in hospitals, polyclinics, rehabilitation centers and many other industries.
We all have suffered a lot during this pandemic, and we wish that this situation doesn't arise again.
And if God forbid there's any other scenario that we are required to stand up for our country and for our people, we will be more than honored and ready to do that.
And ensure that the people will not suffer in future, at least for the scarcity of the oxygen. As a medical care company, as a healthcare company, we are always there to work for the mankind as a whole.